Okay, Matt K. This is your LC995 V2. The problem anyway, the problem was a tiny little solder bridge on the bottom of the first RF amp. See that transistor right there? That's the new one that I put in. So it's my fault. And I guess in transit it started touching. It was right in between these two pins right here. Just it's smaller than a hair, looked like. I mean, but when I cleaned that up and resoldered it, it's working fine. That's all it was. It's right in between those two, just tiny, ever so tiny. But everything else checks out. The radio's receiving very well. Now let's see. Radio has an excellent receiver. Let's go to channel 38. Boy, it takes all kind, don't it? I mean, I like the Andy Griffin show, but I don't want to hear the song on the radio. Okay. I'll get her boxed up and sent back. Thanks, Matt. Okay, one other thing. I don't think you ordered a video on this, so since I'm doing a repair video, I'll go ahead and show you the output power of the radio. I'm on, let's see, let me get on AM channel 20. And I'm on the dummy load. Dead key in about 20 watts. Audio, hello, audio 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1 with 45 watts peak. And let's see, let me see how far down I can turn the dead key. That's about 3 to 4 watts right there. That's all the way down. Audio, hello, audio. That was a 50 watt swing there, and that's on AM on channel 20. I'm gonna do sideband. Turn the RF power back up. Hello, audio, hello, 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1 audio test. Okay. All right.